Meet the LogIT, a power monitor for USB and Power over Ethernet devices.
We tried to tackle a traditional problem that we were faced with, the shortcomings of a multimeter, in developing a type of device that was uniquely crafted to work with just USB and Power over Ethernet. Using a device like this, we're able to measure using the standard cables, but also remain connected to the device that we're testing and logging data for a longer period of time.
The LogIT measures voltage, current and power, and records at set intervals, adjustable from 1 millisecond up to days. An internal lithium polymer battery allows for remote logging. A micro SD card in the LogIT stores the data in a standard CSV format for easy import into Excel or numbers. Separate USB and PoE models make it easy to connect with standard interfaces, but screw terminals can also be attached so that non-standard voltages may be measured. The PoE model also features power pair selection and the ability to measure 2 power channels simultaneously. Both models feature a fully isolated debug port for battery recharge and data streaming to a computer. A secondary isolated serial port makes it possible to connect to other embedded devices, such as an Intel Edison, Raspberry Pi, or Arduino.
The LogIT USB and PoE make it very easy for students, engineers, product designers and enthusiasts to take measurements of their circuit and understand what's going on inside the system under different modes of operation.
The LogIT measures currents down to microamps and up to 2 amps. It also measures a wide range of common DC voltages, from 0 to 25 volts for USB and 0 to 70 volts in the case of Power over Ethernet. A custom software package allows for detailed analysis of power data streaming from a connected device. The user interface provides graphic representation of equivalent resistance and energy delivery over time against the 3 values of current, voltage and power. This is the power consumed by an Intel Edison while it boots. This is the current consumed by an Arduino running a small servo motor.
One unique feature of the desktop software is its ability to measure battery life or approximate it with greater accuracy than an existing solution.
Measured data can be used to estimate the real-world battery life of your widget by integrating current consumed over a time interval you can set with cursors. Want to know how long your battery-powered Arduino or Raspberry Pi project will last? Well, with the LogIT, you can figure it out more accurately.
So for the last year, we've been experimenting and testing, and we have a product that we're really proud of. I believe it will save time and provide valuable insight into power consumption of experimental circuits. We need your help to fund a kit that we can 3D print and send to you. But personally, I hope that we can get plastics molding and accurate calibration into our production processes so that what we release holds its own against the likes of Fluke and Tektyte. Please feel free to download our desktop software for both Mac and PC. It has a simulation mode which will give you a sense of how the LogIT's data will look when it's connected. Thank you for your time and your support.